Okay.
For the wisdom man have friend Enogie from Enogie, Enogie bestie. The fact 21 you have been on this social media because if I
the video. I want to play this particular spot because it was very, very important spot where I play for A and O. I want to make everybody listen to this video. This particular spot.
You go down to get many things. So since 2021, let me flash you back many things. Now this video you say when we say Enogie use Enogie and Osas, Destiny Osas, with the Bayan, with the play guitar. Here with Enogie, he has said we're supposed to be Enogie bestie. The fact Destiny Osas use battle at Destiny Osas for Bayan. We can't make it asset run for Jeremy, the run go France. Enogie not the way one run, we know we can't go stay with Eddie Murphy. From Eddie Murphy, we can go rent back. But the wisdom man have friend that year. Why down the heading well? Who be this one? Come down. This is ish. So the man boy. So now this guy they talk to, so just put here dummy listing. Maybe this thing on hand so you don't first know. You do their life that time. Don't reach abroad that time. So now, from 2021, Eddie Murphy was a godfather of Ewi. Eddie Murphy can't go palace. What is the kind of go palace? Enogie. And if you leave here, then make Eddie Murphy go drink water palace. Because you already not come at the Murphy party. If you leave here, Enogie, they come at the wear red Ododo. Come the saga Yori, they call Yori Yoba. Come bring the past video we already done for many years ago. Play a back. Which can trigger a lot of those. Because say, now you be at the Murphy, they play this video soon. Now you come to the Yoba. At the end of the day, the Murphy go palace, you can go drink water. After the Murphy drink water finish, bass boots, call. He spends many months for Nigeria before he come back to Europe. He reach Europe, he not small. And the Murphy fall out for Eruwala. Say Eruwala, I get J-Boy, Monica Pikin. If you forget, make me remember you. During the saga of Eruwala, who go? You know who go waiting for Bayan to go general. They count him up, who go. Tadamasis, Enogie, they count him up 2021. They constantly they stop that justice for J-Boy. See Monica go bring DNA test come. Now they got the Murphy say Eruwala say go bring 2 million. Make the Murphy stop to the saga Eruwala and Monica. It's equal to quarrel between Enogie and Eddie Murphy. So based on Eddie Murphy not agree for the 2 million, it can't result to saga. This is what I tell you so. Amanora, he get belly for twins, right? Giddy. Enogie come beat Eddie Murphy for saga house down. Zaza Eddie Murphy, Zaza is okay. He can't let us know say when Eddie Murphy go drink water of palace, in bug is okay with plantain. You understand? He call the bug is okay, which is Eddie Murphy well. I believe say you never buy that time. You did this social media. You didn't hear me now. Upon all the help where Eddie Murphy do for Enogie now bear yesi another one tell Judas carrots.
Okay.
Boma yesi. Part 1. From there, Monica come endorse him. He can't join GPC, he come a GPC boy. He come born, as he born the twins, they can't give him Ewi. And Monica where we there? And Monica where we there? Listen, Monica where we there? And Monica where we there? That was how that Enogie we come about. And they can't give him and say, I see we there for Ewi because on why Enogie we. Now think about that name, Enogie we in the type today. As he born the twins, guess who can't help him? Do a mugo, precious Elede. As that one still can't do a mugo finish go, he and that one enter saga. You see that one? Over Sabi, it's not innocent. Another body you see, Obama you see. Now, Eddie Murphy, this skeleton of evil, Esther, come from Nigeria, come abroad, come want the art content with Enogie we. You come want settle Enogie we and Eddie Murphy was the godfather of
Esther.
Esther and Enogie and the Pikin and the wife, they can't go Eddie Murphy house. They can go make apology to Eddie Murphy. They can't make peace. Unknowing to Enogie say Eddie Murphy never still forgive Enogie clearly. Now Enogie now come out called the saga Vera Television. Vera TV called the fan Enogie family. He come to see Enogie sister waiting for Jeremy number. He called the saga that one can call Vera. He come beg Vera say I beg. He na his sister. Now he carry come chant. But he get mama, he get mama number, he give him mama number. He can't give Vera Enogie mama number. Vera now can't call Enogie mama. Vera can't play the video for social media, the audio for social media. Enogie now can't provoke say, who go give him mama, who go give Vera mama number? Can't the final. His sister now can't call because now he give Vera mama number. They for the post to your mama. They can't settle the matter inside house. The woman can't come for the conference call. Enogie go for like a live video. Because they beat him, mama sister. Mama junior sister. He can't beat her, nothing we not talk about her, say he would sleep with herself. You understand? We cry at that jandle. Not be you when they see for road. You hear now? You can't disgrace that one. Necessarily. And another one build the house where your mama they stay. Another one get the house where mama they stay. 2 flats where mama they stay. Now that one so now get the house. Another one provokes him mama back for your house. See, if mama join the bikini, sort out social media, make man leave the house. From there, Eddie Murphy go use police arrest Enogie mama. Then Enogie mama they go to go shit. After that shit finish, he dey settle it. Now police say no for toilet door. Madam, you order arrest. With shit, I think I carry on the mango. Still see how this will fight. Agameya wefe ajebo. Don't want now I sick lawyer. We go bail Enogie mama. As lawyer correct Enogie mama for prison. Enogie mama shit today in yash. This shit they smell. Now lawyer call ajebo say this year is thinking. What happened? Now the boss not speak no words. But may just bail her. May just release her from prison. That same ajebo Enogie disgrace and humiliate her for the social media. Humiliate the enemy for the social media. So now you are now they tell this thing. So if your ear carry leakage when all this thing happen, or you not there alive that time, maybe you really resurrect so E and O. Like they always see bail man, you know, you beg you say. As they pursue man for house, man not see one sleep, once one stay. Monica actually calls 2.9 million for you know give me a apartment flat for man. You know you go carry man go in your house where still did now. Make good the squad there. You understand? Make good the squad there. Now the 2.9 million, they call one 50-60, 40-60 in with the wife. You know, say 200 they are playing the street now because money they come. Money they come, they are playing the street. Money no call now, bam. That's how we don't come, that's how we don't start. Now, as we talk, Iyore Uyomose sort of water ministry. Based on pittiness, that one can give Enogie 500 euros. Say, take tax for your mom. You know, go shop money. You know, tax for your mom. You know, go still wear that one. Beat and black and blue. Today I should talk so. Mama went there for Canada. Where you go do souvenir for Enogie marriage. Enogie still wear that one. Beat and black and blue for this social media. Now, DJ Wisdom man. Where be say, now it be hand and leg of Enogie. Even the aye when they so, now I see John hand where put up a year. Enogie wear black and blue with the wife. Even Kopana said, Enogie still wear a wife, the Jerusalem wife bossers. Enogie still beat the bossers. You understand? For this is social media, where with this so, you they get my point now. Now, nobody for this media we don't do friend Enogie. We Enogie never beat you. Now all of them don't collect their own share. They don't enter house. They don't benefit. They really know who Enogie be. They don't enter house. Now let me I not be friend. That from day one, never be friend. You understand? Okay. Now you now come out with your lips like to when they see water, when they see period. You can't come out now saying that you be the PA of Enogie. Now you pass the group where they did, where even the Don Mugu, where they clap and they follow us, so he still wear Don Mugu. I can the Don, he wear the Don. Ajebo, he wear Ajebo.
Exactly.
It's credibility. He gather you. Put Mami Water which he did, yes. You understand? Put all of the gories, all of the all the people for the group, he beat all of them.
Okay.
Gorish Ugo.
He beat Ugo.
He wear Ugo.
Yes.
The same Enogie whistle.
Okay.
One are not common, one are not remain. All the friends with the follow Enogie, they follow with sense. Because of the distance. No one they near them again.
Okay.
No one they really bother the corner again like before. They use me to follow up. Now the rain for your life now. You are in now because they put on a dangerous criminal. When I get together now, they plan how to defraud people. I go your page, I see you say hair vendors. You go too sweet, say hair vendors now scammer because I don't person beat one hair vendors like that when they scam people. Now I will be saying now this thing sad.
All right. Who are out for national peace to reign? E&O, on the 11th of March, this last month here. Now I do this video for E&O. Make you remember, you understand? Because you be small girl. You just come to social media and say, hey, unfortunately, you mingle with the wrong person. Today, you don't take Questora, the Indonesia Enogie we. Enogie when I see you for Questora say they do Indonesia. I just did laugh. I was just laughing at you, seeing you say the complaint to police here, a carabinary for police officer, they report Enogie. I greet you. It's all fortunate to say all those your donation. Na Alibaba donation. You they play, just they play. Make a Goya we say Dios mas. Make that what they hype you for stupidity. Looking at you and Goya, you will see that you are more responsible than Goya, without being told. Don't support anybody for stupidity, for stupid characters. Goya is a nuisance as a woman. And doings, and they pity the man who married that woman for us. First of all, let me go to that woman. They don't say person not they defend herself, they defend her family, they defend her children. Everybody for this social media support Goya the way Enogie and the wife they insult the children. Me, I use my chest stand for Goya. But I watch Goya look at the attitude which they perform. It's totally